Our next task is to create measurements. We're going to need two measurements to make our hood. We're going to need a neck circumference, which we will call neck, and we're going to need a height, which we will call hood height. For each of these measurements, we're going to need a default value, and ideally we would also like to have a little picture to show where the measurement should be taken. If you're making your own macro and you don't have good images, that's fine. Words will probably be enough, but probably the easiest thing would be to take pictures with your phone and resize and upload them. But for this tutorial, we're going to provide you with the images for neck and height. So let's go ahead and create the measurement. From the tab panel, select Measure, Add, Prompted Measure. This form comes up with the title Prompted Measurements. We're going to give it a name, which will be neck, and we're going to give it a default value of 33.5 centimeters. Let's click on the picture field and it will ask us for a file. Now, we have provided some files that you can use. These are located, if you've done the installation, they're under Documents, PatternMaker, Personal Files, Designers, Tutorials, and the one we want is this one here, Hood Width. Okay, so save. By the way, if you're creating your own images, they want to be a maximum size of 400 by 400 pixels. So if you're taking pictures with your iPhone or camera to document where the measurements should be taken, you may want to reduce them in Photoshop to a maximum of 400 pixels each way. Okay. Notice that when we clicked the New button, the neck measurement got added to the list here, and then we have a new which is available. Let's create the height measurement. I'm going to set the name to height. I'm going to set the default value to 40 centimeters. And we're going to select a picture. That's going to be this one here, hood height. And open. Okay, that's great. Click Save. Now we have our two measurements here. Great. Okay.